Imagine walking down a busy street where people shout numbers, ring bells, and wave papers in the air. Phones are ringing, screens are flashing, and deals are being made every second. This is the energy people often imagine when they think of Wall Street. One of the most famous places in the world of money, Wall Street got its name from an actual wall. In the 1600s, when New York was still a Dutch colony called New Amsterdam, the settlers built a wooden wall to protect themselves from possible attacks. The wall stretched across the southern tip of Manhattan Island, and a street that ran alongside it was called Wall Street. Over time, the wall was taken down, but the name remained. By the 1700s, Wall Street had become a place where people gathered to trade goods like wheat, tobacco, and livestock. Merchants and buyers met in coffee houses or under trees to make deals. But one event in 1792 changed Wall Street forever. That year, 24 merchants signed the Buttonwood Agreement under a buttonwood tree near Wall Street. They promised to trade stocks and bonds only with each other and to follow rules. The New York Stock Exchange quickly grew. At first, trading took place outside, but eventually it moved into a building on Wall Street. Traders would shout and signal with their hands to buy and sell stocks. A stock is a small piece of a company that people can own. By buying and selling these stocks, investors could make money or lose it, depending on how well the company did. During the 1800s, Wall Street became the financial center of the United States. As railroads, factories, and banks expanded, more companies sold stocks and more people invested. Wall Street's influence grew as the American economy grew. Famous financiers like J.P. Morgan and John D. Rockefeller became powerful figures, shaping businesses and sometimes even saving the economy during hard times. But Wall Street has not always been about growth and success. It has also seen moments of crisis. One of the most famous was the stock market crash of 1929. After years of excitement and heavy investing, stock prices suddenly fell, panic spread, and many people lost their savings. This crash led to the Great Depression, a period of hardship that lasted for years. Despite setbacks, Wall Street always managed to recover. By the mid-1900s, it was once again thriving. The invention of computers made trading faster, and more people began investing in stocks. Television and newspapers reported daily on the stock market, making Wall Street's activities part of everyday life for many Americans. Today, Wall Street is still the heart of American finance. The New York Stock Exchange building, with its tall columns and American flag hanging proudly outside, remains an iconic symbol. Inside, traders still work on the floor, but much of the trading now happens electronically. Large companies like Apple, Amazon, and Disney have their stocks listed there, and investors from all over the world participate. Wall Street is also home to other important institutions, like the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, which helps manage the country's money supply. Nearby, you'll also find the bronze statue of the Charging Bull, a symbol of strength and optimism in the financial markets. Tourists from around the world visit Wall Street to take pictures with the bull and to see the place where so much of the world's financial history has happened. Still, Wall Street is not without criticism. Some people see it as a place of greed, where the rich get richer while ordinary people struggle. Movements like Occupy Wall Street in 2011 brought attention to these concerns, with protesters gathering in New York to demand more fairness in the financial system. Yet Wall Street remains a vital part of how the economy works. It connects businesses that need money with investors who want to grow their savings. It provides a place for companies to expand, for new ideas to be funded, and for retirement savings to grow. From its beginnings as a simple wooden wall in a Dutch colony, to its rise as a global financial powerhouse, Wall Street has always been at the center of change. It tells the story of growth, risk, invention, and resilience. Whether people see it as a symbol of opportunity or a place of caution, Wall Street continues to shape the world we live in.